Okay, so hope the connection is now much more stable. Yeah, yeah. The guy saying that's why I'm having issues, because I'm not coming live every day actually. Yeah, that could be the problem. Because my hardware, maybe it's not it's not warmed up, yeah. It's possible. I hope it is stable now. So do you guys can see my screen now perfectly? It's supposed to work right now, I think so. Can you use the chat, please? Let me know, confirm that we have sound and screen and everything runs smoothly without any lag or bufferings. That would be great if I get the feedback. I think now it must work. We must be live now. I didn't know what happened exactly, but just the stream has just shut it down, so it must be fine now. Based on stats, it looks like it works without any failure. Okay, guys, so please use the chat. Let me know if you can hear me now. For those who are watching me on YouTube, everyone on YouTube, please use the live chat. Let me know if that works now. Fine. You can see my screen perfectly, so we can start then. After that, we will start with the live streaming. Yeah, so we are live. Perfect. Great, great, great. So let's go. Let's start now with the webinar once again. So I will start with the beginning. So welcome everyone for the live streaming. So I will go and check the whole market. For those who are there for the first time, I'm trading based on wave analysis. It will take you a couple of hours maybe to get the point of what I'm trading, how I'm trading. Basically, my aim is to catch a wave, because I do believe that market moves in waves as everything in the nature, because market cannot go in the straight line. Okay, I do believe that market cannot go in the straight line so as anything else in life cannot. All right, so let's go DXY, and then I will go through all the market. If you have any questions, you can ask, but I will try to answer all the questions by the end of the webinar. So let's go. Let's start now. DXY. DXY is going down. Those who've been following me for a while, we've been trading this movement all the way to the downside. We were trading this move to the upside, and we trade this small move to the downside. So now it's the question what we will do. Okay, the market it's now in the corrective phase, so we have to understand those fractals, how they are developing. We are now in these movement. Okay, so we have a wave to the upside, we have a wave to the downside, so this will be one corrective wave, and we will go for one more leg lower, either tag the low and then we will go to the upside, tag the top again, and then this will create the huge flat formation, and we will then have a one leg lower. So what does that means? That we will be trading in these sideways. We just need to know, and we just have to understand how this moves. This is very important because that means where you will be entering and where you will be taking profit. Everything depends on this structure, how it will develop over there. So let's go. And it's very important to understand this last 1 hour structure. What is it about to do? So I see that the price will be there until it leaves this sideways movement. I think there it could be a flag formation or a flat. So the price is currently correcting, and we have one down, we have a corrective movement, and once this is completed, we'll go one leg lower just to break this low over there, and then we will be going to the upside to break that top, and this everything together will form one corrective structure, and we will repeat one more leg to the downside. So we will then break to the downside. So how we can trade now this? We will be following the flags once we will get it. If we don't have any flags, if we don't have any correction, we cannot enter the trade. So as for the now, there was one buy setup in the morning over there. This was the buy setup. If you took it, now you have to monitor it and see how this will develop. There is still option that this could be leg to the downside. All right, just to break the low, and it can go right now. So if this starts to go lower, you shouldn't hold any buys on DXY, and you have to manage them properly because we are going to the downside. Then can we take the sell? Yes, we can, if we will get the sell setup, if we get opportunity to take a sell over there and then breaking this low. This will be just the medium term trade in case if it happens. So currently we are in the buy, but once we will break that low, there's the higher probability the price will start to changing its direction, and we will go and break this top, and then we will go for the sell. So until then, if you're not skilled enough, I do not recommend you taking trades over there, because you will lose your money if you don't know, and if you're not experienced how to trade, because you have to be fast over there. There shouldn't be struggling. Okay, you need to know what you are doing. This price can as well give you the flat, and then it can go up, tagging this high as well possible, and then still we are going to downside and then up. Okay, so very possible behavior. We have to watch it now to see how this DXY will be developing over there. EURUSD has similar kind of development over there. We are in the sideways. This is the move to the upside that we need to have over there. And now the question is when this is completed. Okay, I still do believe that we will go and break that low. So there it could be one flag for the downside, for break this low and then turn to the upside. I do not recommend anybody taking trades over there. This last wave to downside, it's not making sense. Okay, you shouldn't be jumping over there. I wouldn't take a sell over there from here where it is right now. I would rather be trading anything else, okay? Any other pair than euro dollar, because potential target, it's not good. But what you can have, what you can do, you can wait, break it, and then you will wait for a nice confirmation for buy, and then you'll take this buy, breaking this high, and this will be enough good profit for you, I think. Okay, but you have to be patient. You have to wait for this sideways, as I'm already showing you. Okay, so wait for this sideways, then taking the trades, and then taking off. I will do that. Okay, I will not be selling it over there. If you did already sell it, rather take some profit, because it's not moving aggressively. Price can as well start moving faster to the upside. So over there, if you're a seller, take some profit. Okay, get out of the market. It's not moving as it's supposed to move. It's very slow, and I don't like to trade over there. I would rather wait for the buy, let it go, let it drop the bottom, let it bounce, let it pull back, and then you will be taking this trade to the upside over there. This would be your trade, and breaking this top, it's very nice potential to catch. Pound USD, it's still in this sideways as well. All right, so let me take everything off over there. What the price is trying to do, let me take off that one as well, so I can get much more clear picture. I think that this is the corrective structure for one more leg lower. This could be confirmation, and we are in this move to the upside right now. All right, so this is very, very, very possible scenario. Can it drop lower? Yes, it can, but I wouldn't be selling it over there. Currently, you don't have a sell stop. I don't see any sell stop as it stands right now. Okay, that's not a sell stop. That's more than a buy. That's expanded flat for a buy. So that's the reason why I wouldn't be selling it. If this goes and give you the running flat there on lower time frame, if you want, you can take a trade, but nothing more than breaking this low. Okay, but that needs to struggle over there a little bit more. You have a buy at 5009. On which pair? Where's that buy? So be more specific when you're asking question. Okay, so like I said, it's still possible that we will see break of that low. Gold 500, I have a buy, it will go that level. I have no idea, let me check. Give me a couple of minutes, we will go to the gold as soon as I will complete this. New Zealand USD, USD Chief, USD Canadian dollar, silver, and then we'll be at the gold. Okay, so I will put it on there. We will be discussing very, very soon the gold, so bear with me. We will discuss about the gold. All right, so like the others, there's high probability that the chart can do there a corrective movement, and then we will be dragging to break that low, but then definitely I will be buying. I will be a buyer on pound USD and all the dollar pairs. Okay, pound, euro dollar, pound USD, this is where I would rather be the buyer than the seller. I don't like to take a seller there, really. I would rather skip it, okay, because this is not going as it's supposed to, but it can go like I have shown. This could be a running flat formation if you wait a couple more hours. Once this will be completed, then this could be the trade. Take the trade all the way back to the previous low. Very, very possible trade that you can have. All right, so New Zealand USD, what do we have over there? If we go back on 4 hour, let me take a bigger picture. 1 hour, definitely the downside. Okay, so you want to take this trade to the downside. Do we have any buy currently? Do we have sell? No, we don't have a sell currently yet. All right, this is more buy looking structure. Very possible by looking structure, one more leg higher to break the top, and then we can start breaking all the way to the downside. This is a 1 hour sell setup that we are currently having over there. If you want, you can go for this buy, but that's gonna be the quick. Otherwise, when the price starts breaking lower, you can take a sell, because sell it's much longer, okay, and much bigger one. This is something that we may have over there, breaking all those lows, and it will even extend. That would even extend, so worth of taking this sell over there. Skip the buy. I wouldn't take buy over there, definitely. USD chief, same as the dollar. Okay, we are in this sideways. I wanted to leave this. Don't trade over there inside, guys. That's very this is very risky to trade there inside of this corrective structure. Let it go out, let it confirm, then take the trade, or let it drop, let it pull back, and then take a sell. Okay, so one of these. Don't just jump over there when we are in the corrective, because when we are in the corrective phase, the market is just bouncing up and down, and it will not give you a stable move. So that's the reason why I would not be trading over there once, until we don't leave, as it was over there. Look at that one. All right, so once price has left that correction, gives you the confirmation you took the trade. This is what you want. Okay, so this is what I'm always trading. So as soon as this will go out, correct over there, and then I will take this buy. All right, this is something I would be trading. Otherwise, stay for the sideways, stay away from it. USD cat, this one is looking good. Okay, there was the one buy setup in the morning. I do believe that we will go outside, and possibility to see this extension over there on USD cat, it's highly likely that we will see this movement to the upside over there. This will be 1, 2 and 3, something like that. If you're already in the buy, great, take the buy and manage it accordingly. It's not moving already. I think the market, it's not moving very fast because we have a bank holidays. Bank holiday in the United States, it's resulting there with very quiet market, very slow market, and that may be the reason why we are not moving fast. Alright, but definitely this was the buy, very slowly movement. If it tries to break and pull back, take off the buy. I wouldn't be holding it if you are already in. If not, you can buy above the high. Once it will start breaking to the upside, then I would become interested in this buy. Gold. Okay, so here we are with the gold. Gold is currently in this movement. Let me explain you what I see over there on the gold. Gold will be making this running flat over there. I took this sell, took profit already. Okay, remove the profits already, and now we are in this much bigger corrective structure. Okay, so if you took the sell already over there, great, you did a great job. Now you have to manage it accordingly. Watch it, don't let it go. Okay, are we still live? I think I get an error message over there, so hope we are still live. Let me check. There is some error message. Let me check about YouTube stream. Yes, we are still live. It's working. So so what we are going to see over there on gold is this looking structure. Running flat is in the making. Okay, so we can take the sell potentials from there, and maximum down there. Okay, somewhere there, this would be your taking profit area. I really don't believe that the gold breaking this low, it's not possible yet, until we will go all the way back at the top, breaking and confirming and finishing with this movement. This will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3. This everything together will be one huge corrective structure, and then we will repeat one more wave to the downside. This is how I see it, and this all together will be then a huge buy. Okay, so once this will be completed, then we can expect more upside on gold. But until then, we have to trade there in this sideways movement. We have to trade within these ranges. These ranges is something that we have to understand and trading. All right, so already today it did gives us one sell setup. If you took that sell, you did a great job. Now you have to watch it, protect it, don't let it go upside anymore, because if it goes one more leg higher, it can even extend, and this is something you should not allow it to do. All right, because it can still go back at this top. Sorry, that was my, it can go still break that top, and this is something you should not let it do. Okay, so if you're a seller, you just want to see that break over there very soon. Very soon you will see the break and then continuously dragging lower. I did expect that the price will go much faster, but there is still time, because we have bank holidays. It can break and then it can pull back, so this is where it can add, and this will be the move to the downside on the gold. $5.015 buy. So where you are 5.0, what did you say? 5.015. This is where you're in 15. You're buying it. You're supposed to. So did you say you are buying it, right? Did I understand you correctly? 5.0. So from here, what did you do with the trade? Did you bought it? You are in the buy. You're also selling, but you're confused with gold. Yeah, gold is in these sideways. You have to understand also, this is where most traders are losing money. Because if you don't understand where to get in, where to take profit, you can lose money pretty fast. And that's very important. So if you bought it there, I would try to close it. Okay, if you bought it there, I would close it if this pulls back. If this pulls back, that would be great. But if it starts to breaking out of this structure, then I do recommend you close it instantly. I wouldn't hold it. I wouldn't hedge it, because not good. Not good. Okay, so rather take a sell. You're supposed to be a seller over there. This was the sell. This is the sell. It's giving you the sell setup, so don't push with the buy yet. Buy, it's not ready yet. Okay. So watch it. Don't let it. Yeah. If you're buying it, really, you would have to close it. If you bought it there on pullback, close. This could still give you the chance to exit this buy. If you bought it there, this will still give you the 0. Okay, so don't hold it. There wouldn't be any buy. I don't see buy currently, so only sell the gold. Gold is a sell. Definitely keep on selling it. You're also following the same structure. Great, very nice. So if you will be following this structure properly, you can easily make money. And of course, you need to have a plan on how you will be trading this structure. You need to have a plan and the strategy on how you will be trading these waves. Silver, it's a little bit different. I think silver, I think that it could go for one more leg. I don't believe this is a structure for sell, and we will be going downside, and this will be all of the correction, because the problem lies over there. This didn't break the high, so this could be still a corrective phase, and this is the correction. And if this is the correction, then we can easily go one more leg higher, even breaking it, and then it will give you the sell setup, and then we'll be going downside, similar as we did over there. All right, it will go ABC, and then we can go up once again and then down. So make sure you understand how the structures are developing over there, and watch this closely, how this one is going. AUSD is going lower. Okay, so this is very nice sell structure over there. This looks on 1 hour, if you watch it, that's perfect looking sell structure over there, but that's not moving currently. Maybe that's the cause of the bank holiday in United States, because there's no volatility market, it's almost dead, and that could be the reason why we don't see any moves over there. So this is very nice sell. Once it starts to break, if there it will give you any sell stops, it will be amazing. There was one sell stop. If it gives you more, you can keep on selling. I do anticipate that the price will go and break out of this structure, and we will see a continuously pushing lower. USDN, I don't know what this one's trying to do currently. This could be 1, 2, 3. We have to break the top, then we'll start selling. Don't sell earlier. Okay, so this can do something like this. You can even take a buy, break the top, take profit, and then we will turn for a sell. Okay, if you're not skilled enough, let it plays out. Let it first. Here's what you will do. You will wait that the price will go and break that top. Once it breaks, you wait for pullback, then you take a trade. This, you take the trade, break the low, you take profit, or you hold. Okay, depends on what the chart will shows us down there at the previous bottom, what kind of reactions we will have. It's creating head and shoulders. Yeah, maybe. I'm not watching head and shoulders on the market at all. Head and shoulders is really something that I don't observe at all, because for me it has no value. It has no I cannot rely on it. But yeah, yes, if it does work for you, great. Aussie New Zealand, I think that Aussie New Zealand will go for one more leg higher. This is a pullback, very decent pullback, and we are going to the upside. So this is the movement. Okay, one more leg higher, and then we will turn to the downside probably. So something like that. This will be the higher time frame picture, and then this will go in big consolidation before going to the upside. So trading there makes sense, right? So get in, take the buy. Buy shouldn't be, you shouldn't hold the buy for long, just to tag this top, break the top, take profits, and wait for the sell stop, go for the sell. Then very easy. This one's making sense over there. Chifian, it was very nice. Okay, so we did amazing money over there previous week. We've been trading it. Okay, so we were monitoring the price since over there. We took the sells. There were a couple of sells. We took amazing money, and this is how structures plays out very nicely. Once structure is ready, once the move is ready, this is where we make money. That's how much we made with one single trade. Okay, so 500 pips was there, 500 pip movement, and there were a couple of trades to add. Now we are getting into more complexity. So I do recommend everybody to take profits from cheap yen in if you are still in, if you're still holding those cells on cheap yen, take it off, because this can get complex right now. This could be a corrective structure. This can go lower, form you the flat, and then going up, break the top again, and then it will go lower. So if you have any cells from there or wherever you get in, we were in from the top of the structure, I do recommend you taking profits, because if these do get complicated, it can even extend and it will give you the headache. So believe me, you don't want to be stuck over there. You don't want to be stuck over there. Just take your profits. I wouldn't be buying or selling it. I will let it do whatever it wants to do. I will let it complete this structure before I will go and start selling it. Pound yen, it's pulling back. Let's see, this one's already giving you the sell setup. That's weird. Euro yen, let me check the other yen pairs. This one also. CAD yen, not really. This one could be completed. This one may be completed. If this does give you the sell stop, take the sell, see how it plays out, and then of course manage it accordingly. Aussie yen, not good. So okay, yeah, definitely you can monitor this one. If it pulls back, forget it, but if it starts breaking down, you can take the trade and see how it develops. It can start going lower, so I would be interested if this starts breaking lower, then definitely I would watch it. Euro yen, same there. There is something currently in the making. Keep an eye over there how it will develop. Stay again, and then we will see the break of the previous low. Keep an eye over there how this develops. Even New Zealand yen, yeah, going down, going up, flat, and then take a sell. This would be a very nice trade. It could be a very nice trade. So keep an eye on it, right? Aussie chief, same there. This is the sell stop. Sell looking structure. If it does give you the sideways, giving you a sell stop, take the sell and see how it goes. I do anticipate that it will go and break totally outside of this structure right over there. So keep an eye, monitor it closely, and it may be a good sell stop over there. I will mark it, so I will probably watch it. I will take it into consideration. I don't know why this trend line is down there. Makes no sense. But yeah. I will definitely see. But not yet. It's not ready yet. It needs a couple more hours and then we will watch it closely. Then we'll watch it. Don't just trade it. Aussie cat, same there. You want to see this corrective structure because it looks like a sell. This would be 1, 2, 3. So nice movement. Keep an eye on there as well. See how that develops. If it goes in sideways, take a sell. Or on the break of the structure. If you know how to trade it, you can as well take a breakout trade easily. Good one as well. So all the Aussie pairs are doing very good sell stops. New Zealand cat. Take that off. Take that off. I want to see the clear picture over there. This one did break the high, but I don't think this is a completed one. That could be one leg lower, and then this will become running flat, break this top as well, and then going lower, break this low. So I wouldn't take the sell. If I would get the buy, then yes, I would become interested. Hi, there is no sound. Really? Do we guys have no sound? Is there no sound? Can you guys use the chat? Let me know. Is that on my side? Can anybody confirm if there is the sound? It's supposed to be sound there. Yeah, all perfect. Mari, I think this is on your side. It works. So you have to check this. This must be on your side. Okay, great. So let's continue. I wouldn't trade there on using cat. It's not looking great. What do we have over there? Back. Not trading over there. If you get the sell stop, which you're currently not having, this is too slow. Okay, you need to drop, you need to pull back, and then you will take a trade. Until you have this, don't take trades over there. That's something that I would not trade over there. It could be very quick trade over there. The main move is to the upside, definitely. This will go up anytime soon. Anytime soon we will have a buy over there. This channel will break to the upside very soon. So if it does break, pull back, you're buying. Okay, so you have to be open and ready to take a buy over there. On 15 minutes, that could already start, alright? But not there, okay? So don't trade inside of the channel. Let it go outside, okay? So if you would like to become a buyer, let go out, let it pull back, then you take a trade, okay? So don't buy over there within this channel. This is something that I would not trade over there. Pound Aussie. This one's good sell stop. This one's showing a nice sell stop. Look at that one. Nice setup. If it goes up, then forget it. The sell stop, it's not interested anymore. But if it does stays down there and do something like this, then yes, very interesting sell stops. You want it to break and you want it to go all the way back to the previous low. This is what I will be aiming to retest the previous low or even extend, but the minimum what I will be anticipating is this one. So keep an eye over there. It could be as well a good sell stop. I will put that into my watch list. I will watch that one as well because it can go nice. Euro Aussie, same there, sell stop. This one can go pretty much, actually. If this is all the correction we will have, then we already are having a nice sell stop. So this would be a great move and take it. Take it to go all the way down to this channel. So keep an eye as well there. Okay, so I will monitor that one as well. I will keep an eye and see how this will start breaking and if there will be any volatility. Here New Zealand. Let me take off everything. Sometimes I just need to erase everything. That's running flat looking structure. And these go downside. But as it stands right now, there is really no volatility and no volatility over there. I wouldn't take a trade because what it could do is, well, this, come on, this go up, just break the top and then it will immediately turn and then go to downside. So you can be in trouble over there. So don't take trade over there. I wouldn't be buying it over there. That's something I would not watch. Definitely there are many better charts than those. This one not going anywhere. What we are having currently, this one's trying to go in much deeper correction, much more complex structure. So this going down, going up. Now we need to go and break this low. So very possible something like this will happen, going up, going down, break the low, and then to go up, break the top, and then we will be selling it. So probably next few days I wouldn't be trading over there, because too much ups and downs, you wouldn't make any money. And if there is no money, you're just risking it, especially if you don't know how to trade and how to get in and out. So you need to have a skill of exiting your trade on point. If you don't know how to exit your trade, then you can get yourself in trouble, because many people usually freeze when they need to take a decision, when they need to act fast, when they need to have experience, when they need to show the skill. People usually freeze. And these are the setups where you can lose money if you don't have well developed exit skills. So that's why I don't recommend anybody trading it unless you have a skill to do that. Your chief. This one going lower. This would be the channel. Channel that it's losing its momentum. You can take a trade over there. Yes, this would be the trade. I think that this is the running thread we are having, and this move to the downside very possible. So if you want, you can go with this movement. Interesting chart. I will maybe watch it. We'll see. I usually put them on my watch list, but I don't trade them all. I just pick the best one or the setups that looks great. This one, let it go, break the bottom, tag the bottom, then give you the buy stop, then you will take a buy. Okay, so don't trade it earlier, or don't try to sell it. I wouldn't take any sells over there. I would wait for the buy. Pound chief. This one looks sell setup as well. How far this can go? At least that much. At least that much. So you can as well. Chiefs are giving a nice sell stops all the way back to this low and take profit. Don't try to hold it. What was that? Okay, so let's go. Let's continue. This one will go downside as well. I don't see the buy currently over there. Let me see the bigger picture. The bigger picture, let me take everything. Oh yeah, that's more sell than a buy. We have this impulse that needs to go and break this low. Come on, sorry. We need to go and break that low. So that's the movement we will have. That's the sell setup over there currently building. So if you want to take the sell, yes, keep an eye over it. Come on, sorry for that. If you want, you can watch this sell setup over there that's currently in the making. Okay, and target will be your previous low. Okay, so that much. This is what we will have over there. I don't see any buy currently, but definitely a sell setup would be a good one. Just monitor it. Yes, we will keep an eye over there. So catch if we are breaking the low. I think nothing there. If you take a sell there, I don't know how far it can go, so rather leave it. or take it, and if you have the skills to get out and break even, at least to manage it properly, you can go. I think that this is still the buy setup. We will go tag the low, and we will very fast change and go to the upside, and we will have a decent looking structure over there. So if you want, this is the sell stop. I wouldn't take a sell over there because I don't like it as it stands right now. I don't know how far it can go, and there are many better charts. Oil is doing a very perfect sell stop for every one of you if you want to take a trade over there. So it wouldn't be today probably, but tomorrow. Tomorrow this would be a nice sell stop, so keep an eye over there. It can go all the way up, and then we will be trading this move to downside. I think this movement has to repeat itself, and then we will have a huge correction for more upside. So nice sell setup in the making over there. How far it can go and what we can expect on the oil over there. It's something much deeper over there, yeah. That's what we are trying to trade. Take a sell. Once we break the bottom, you can take profit, and then we may go and turn to the upside totally. So very good setup. Very good setup. I will take that into consideration, and I will monitor it over there. US oil, same there. Those setups are the same. So whichever you like, you can go and take there. US 30. This one is building a buy setup if you see that properly. This is the running flat going up. I wouldn't take a trade over there. Why? Because I would rather go for the sell. What could happen over there? If you take this buy, price can just break those tops and then it will turn. Okay, so I wouldn't take buy over there. I will be waiting for the sell. I've been selling it previous week, and this is definitely something I don't want to buy. I will be only watching for sell setups. This one, if you took a sell over there, take profit. It ain't gonna go lower. Okay, that's all what you get. This will go now into the deeper pullback. This is the 1 2 3. It's going up, break the top, and then we will go to the downside. So make sure you know what you're doing if you're trading like this. This is about to go higher now. All right, this is the move we will have. Something like this, something we will have over there, and then we will see a move to the downside. And then we'll see the move to the downside. Okay, so this was the small sell. If you took it, take profit and run away from it. You're asking for US 30. Yes, we did already. I didn't saw your chat, sorry. We did already. I don't know when did you write it, and hope that you have saw my analysis, but I can do that quickly for you once again. All right, so this could be the running flat over there. It can go one more up. Don't trade the buy, rather wait for the sell. This can go downside, so don't take the buy. Why? Because it can turn very, very fast over there and then go to downside. As soon as it breaks that high, it becomes riskier to buy. So that's the reason why I wouldn't take a buy over there. I would be selling it. I will take off this trend line. It's not making sense. And definitely, yes, this could be a good sell setup once this move is completed, going up, and then let me just draw that. So as soon as it goes up, I would watch for the sell. Okay, something like that. UK 100, same there. It's building over there the sell setup. Okay, so this is the movement. This is the movement that can happen over there. So keep an eye on there. I will may take it into consideration and watch it. German. Stay away from it. I wouldn't take a sell over there. Come on, what's that? this is the sell. If you took it, setup is already going, so you need to have a pullback if you want to take a sell over there. You can just sell it. You need to have a flag now, something at least. Bitcoin is going down. I don't think that's the total downside over there. I don't believe this total downside. We will have more upside. I think this is the buy setup now. If it starts going up, pull back, give it the flag, take a buy, because it can go all the way, break those highs, and then to start to turn the downside. So it's about to give you the buy setup. Sell, I don't know how far it will go. You can still try to hold it a little bit, and then definitely you can start watching it for the buy setup. And that's it, yeah. We did everything. Do you guys have any questions? This one may start dragging higher. So euro dollar down, as we were talking at the beginning of the webinar. Yes, we will see the break of these lows. Once it's breaking, wait for the pullback, take a buy. Very good. Very good. It's following, right? Not interested in this one. This one can drag lower. USD going up, USD get up as well. I honestly see the good wave over there. It could happen, very nice movement over there. It has a nice expanded flat, so it could start pushing higher. Okay, so if you take a buy over there, manage it accordingly. Okay, you have to know how to deal with this trade. You need to have rules to follow it, to get out if the trade is not moving. Okay, so that's the most important thing. Get out if trades are not doing well. Okay, so this, I don't know if this one, the guides are already there who bought it over there. This will probably go now up, so try to close it. Okay, so lower your loss and get the hell out of the trade. Get the hell out of this buy, because this is not a buy. You shouldn't trade it, because once you see the green candles, don't hope. Stop hoping. Cut the trade off, because it's not something you would like to take. There isn't a buy. All right, this one's slowly going down, but it's good setup. Yes, this one, it's very nice and good setup for the downside. Good one, yeah. Nothing there. And this one, yeah, this one's also good. Keep an eye on it, track it. If it starts breaking higher aggressively, that's gonna be good setup. Yeah, that's true. People are not having good skills to cut their losses. You need to have a good skill of cutting your losses. If the trade is not going, if trade is not doing what did you expect, then you should cut it. You need to have a plan. You need to have a skill to cut it, to act on your trade that's not doing well. Yeah, no crying, no hoping mindset over there. We shouldn't hope when we trade. We need to know what we're doing. So yeah, we are at the end of the webinar. If you have any questions, guys, you can ask now. I'm watching both chats. Crying on losses as this guy, it just means he's a beginner or SNC trader. Yes, there are a lot of traders that are using weird strategies that they saw on the TikTok. TikTok is kinda crazy platform. There are crazy strategies. You can get 1-2 good trades, but on the long term you will be losing, and people are lying to themselves as well and trading some TikTok strategies. Okay, so TikTok strategies are not working in this industry. This is the serious business. This is the money. You cannot play over there. It's a business. You need to act properly. You need to have a skill. You need to have a plan. You need to have a serious plan, not a plan which you saw on the Instagram or the TikTok or wherever someone is talking about some strategy. No, you have to have a proven strategy. Only 1-2 winners doesn't mean you are profitable. Everyone can have a winning trade. That depends on how much you're winning based on 50 trades, 20 trades, 100 trades. That's a really good question that nobody asks, especially not new traders. New traders are never asking themselves what strategy it's for long term. Does it even work for long term? Okay, and that's very, very, very important. Don't get trapped over there. I've seen many trades. People are usually talking to me when they are stuck to trades and don't know what they are doing. They are usually asking me what they should do, how they should manage, and so on. Yes, they are trading like a Russian roulette. They're putting all on black. They are 100% sure what they're doing. But their strategy is not proven. But what's even funnier? People are lying to themselves. Don't lie to yourself. Be honest when you're trading. If something is not working, sit down and stop trading. Don't continue. Don't live in the Lulu world. Don't live in the Lulu world. Trading is not delusional. You cannot pray for profit. That ain't gonna happen. You need to act. Trading and praying doesn't work. You have to act on market. You cannot just leave it and say fuck it, let's do whatever it wants to. No, you have to act according to your plan, according to your rules. You cannot just forget it. Yeah, I saw that as well. Yeah. No manifestation in this business. That's true. That's true. Profits cannot be manifested. Only real work. Skills are giving money. The Lulu doesn't give money. Alright, so I will end the webinar over there. It's been a while. I think this webinar is now almost an hour and 20 minutes, I think. We had at the beginning some disconnects. Never mind. I will fix that for the next time. So, okay, yeah, that's it. So, take care, enjoy your trading, and make sure you will be there on the next live streaming. If you're interested, you can as well join the Discord. Okay, so Discord is in the link of the description or in the bio. So, if you want, you can join it and see you there. Take care, enjoy your day, and make the let's make some profit this week. Bye bye.